Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the Dominique Cosmetics Skin Gloss. Alright, so let's get started, you guys. I have all four skin gloss right in front of me, and first of all, they were not sent to me. I bought them with my own hard-earned money, so just wanted to put that out there. And I did get all four of them. I wanted to try out every single one because I felt like they all served somewhat of a different purpose. And I did do a little bit of a swatch and, a couple of videos on my Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not following me, then you can do so. Links to that is down below. All right, so did a little bit of video on my Instagram, and, well, this video is me talking about this skin gloss, reviewing it, and giving it my honest thoughts and opinion, all right? So there's four of them. We're going to talk about packaging. We're going to talk about how it performed, like how it wore on my skin, and we're going to talk about, do I recommend it? 3 topics, okay? So first of all, packaging, all right? The packaging, just going to grab one and show you guys. This is what it looks like. This is the front packaging. The back packaging looks like this, and every single one of them does look different in the back, just because depending on like which shade you get, that is the color of the back packaging. Alright, so that is the back. And the side is like a nice, clear, very luxurious, I believe it is plastic. A nice, clear, luxurious plastic. It has Dominique Cosmetics logo. It's like a raised glass, not glass, but a raised nice plastic, material. It's clear. It has a little skin gloss script written in white on the bottom. When you open it up, you do get a nice mirror, and you get your product right here. And then, if you look to the side, you can see how much product you're getting because it's clear. And it looks to me you get a pretty decent amount. Of course, you can read the back label and see exactly how much product you're getting. So this is a net weight of 0.17 ounces. Yes, all right. So you're getting a pretty good amount. That's what I think. You're getting a pretty good amount. So packaging is super cute, you guys. I'm not going to lie. I was thrilled. I mean, first of all, Dominique Cosmetics, their packaging, they're always on their A game. Seriously, they're just killing it on their packaging with their palettes, with their lip glosses. I mean, their packaging is amazing. Literally amazing. Look at this. Does this not look luxurious to you? This stuff right here, at least to me, this looks high-end. This looks like some nice high-end packaging. It's clean, it's chic, it's amazing. I love it. The packaging alone really drew my attention, and when I got it in my hand, I was like that much more impressed with it when I saw it in real life. I mean, seeing this on her YouTube channel, on her Instagram, on her Dominique Cosmetics Instagram, seeing other influencers or beauty gurus or whatever you call them, seeing them play with it, try it on, that was all nice and dandy. But when I got it in my hand, not even kidding you guys, I was that much more impressed and that much more happy with it. So packaging is perfect. And I will say, Kristen is all about those small little details. And to me, I feel like small details is where it really counts the most. It shows that, she's really thought about exactly what she wants to do and how she wants to place the products. And just, let me give you an example of the small details I'm talking about. All right. Talking about this product right here. Alright, so small little details on the bottom of this mirror. It has like a nice uplifting quote, and it says, "Choose to shine." Honestly, I just really love reading that, and it's giving us positive vibes, and I really do like that, okay? And another little cute thing that I saw was on this little bottom part right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Right there at the bottom, it's not just a simple like silver plate on it. It says her Dominique Cosmetics little, it says DC and then Dominique Cosmetics over it. It's just, look how cute that is. I don't think this was really necessary. I could be wrong. I don't know. I could be wrong. But these are like little details that really just kind of brings the product to its completeness. And I mean, packaging A+, above A+. It's like A+, bonus points, throw a little bit of sprinkles and party. I am thoroughly impressed and very satisfied with packaging. It is amazing. Amazing. Just amazing. All right, so packaging, enough of that. Let's talk about how it wore on my skin and, you know, how I like it. All right, so with how it wore on my skin, you guys, first of all, let's talk about what kind of skin type I have, because I think that's kind of important. All right, so I do have dry skin. It's dry, it's dehydrated, it's dry, it's dry, it's dry, it's dry, it's dry. All right, I have really dry skin, and certain parts of my skin is a little bit textured, and yeah, that is my skin, you guys. So if you have skin like me, then group hug. If you don't have skin like me, then another group hug. All right, so I have a dry textured skin, and so I have to look for products that are, you know, friendly to my skin. Okay, and when I say friendly, this right here is friendly. Okay, first of all, this is Skin Gloss, you guys. It's a nice glossy, creamy product. Okay, it feels amazing to my skin. Certain products, like I won't say names, but certain products, when I try it on, I mean, it looks nice, but it feels like my skin is losing moisture that much more. Whereas this product right here, it doesn't have that kind of feeling. It feels refreshed. It feels nice. And I say that even though it's makeup, it does really feel that way. I'm not even kidding you guys. And it feels really, it feels dewy. It feels, what do you call it? Not heavy. It feels very like a no makeup day. It just feels like very natural. Of course, putting on makeup is not natural. I get that. But you get what I'm saying, right? It doesn't feel like a nice heavy makeup. It feels like a nice, you know, light, natural, quick, on the go, 5-minute, 10-minute makeup look. You get what I'm saying? All right, so let's talk about one by one each of these products. The first one I have here in my hand is called Golden Dew, and that is what it looks like. All right, give you a nice swatch on the back of my hand. So I just swatched that on the back of my hand, and that is what it looks like. Super pretty. All right. For this color, you guys, for me, I like to kind of use it on like my cupid's bow, sometimes like on the high points of my face, like the high points of my brows, tip of my nose, any like really high point I want it to like shine and stick out. That's where I use this color. It's perfect for that. So that is what I use it for. All right, so the next color I have is called Sunset Glow, and you guys, this is like the perfect creamy like blush color. And I mean, creamy blush. Right now, everyone's talking about the Fenty blush, and I do want to try it out. I'm not going to lie. It does look super pretty and super gorgeous. But if you want to try out a different, like, creamy type of blush, like a skin gloss type of blush, I do recommend getting this one. Again, this is called Sunset Glow. So in the pan, that's what it looks like. All right. And I'll do a quick swatch for you guys. Alright, so that is Sunset Glow, you guys. Do you guys see that golden, like, pinky, rosy color? Just imagine that as, like, a nice blush, you know, blush color right on your face, across your nose. Super cute when you put blush across your nose, alright? That will be perfect, okay? Just cream blush, creamy skin gloss blush. That will look amazing. Just look at that color, you guys. That's perfect. That is perfect, okay? Next color, or next shade, we have the Copper Light. And to show you guys what it looks like in the pan. So that is the color of Copper Light. Alright, so that is Copper Light. Very beautiful, super pretty. And I will add, all these swatches I'm doing are with my fingers, and the way they look they tend to vary depending on your skin tone. So it might look lighter or darker or, you know, in between, in the middle. It just depends because these are creamy, glossy, sheer products and they are definitely buildable. But just putting it out there, it might not look exactly like this on your skin tone when you try it out. It might, but it might not, all right? So disclaimer, whatever you want to call it, okay? All right, so the last product here is this one right here, and this is what she called Glossed Peach. And to show you guys what it looks like, that is the color of Glossed Peach. And then Glossed Peach looks like that. All right, that is Glossed Peach. Okay, looking beautiful, of course. And with Gloss Peach, I like to sometimes use it as a blush as well. And sometimes as like a highlight, like a very natural highlight looking thing. Because I feel like the other colors aren't really a natural highlight for me. Like this one's more like a high point highlight. This one right here is more of a, this is the Sunset Glow, more of like a blush type of look. This one right here is more of like a, I guess bronzer, but like a, kind of like a glowing within sunset type of bronzer look, because for bronzer I do like a more matte finish. So if that makes sense, it's not exactly a bronzer, but like a in between of a bronzer to a blush, kind of like that happy middle. But this one right here, the Gloss Peach, this one is like that perfect, like, you know, highlight color for me. I feel like it just looks really nice and perfect for my skin tone, so I do like that. All right, so this is all four of them we just talked about, and I showed you guys different swatches. If you want, like, I guess cell phone picture swatches, I do talk about them a lot more on my Instagram, so go check it out there. But you guys, this product is, first of all, because I have dry skin, any like creamy glossy product my skin loves. I do really enjoy putting creamy products. They're just simple to use. You don't have to use a brush. You can always use your fingers. You can use a brush if you want to, but that's not required. Fingers are like a creamy product best friend. It works beautifully. I mean, I showed you guys the swatches. All these swatches I showed you on the back of my hand are with my fingers, and you look stunning. These products are, what else? They're buildable. You can finish it off with a nice sheer finish and have like a nice soft, you know, reflective color to it, whether it be the Gloss Peach or the Copper Light or the Sunset Glow or the, this is called Golden Dew. Whichever four you choose, they have like a nice sheen, sheer finish, but they are buildable, you guys. You can build it up so you can have more of that color showing. So another thing, a lot of people want to know if it feels sticky, because it is like a glossy, like creamy type of product. And I will say, it doesn't feel sticky. It's not like a sticky candy taffy type of feeling, like gummy feeling. It doesn't feel like that at all, like no stickiness. What it does feel like is, because it's a dewy product, it feels like there's some type of like moisture on your skin. So your skin, when you touch it, it doesn't feel dry. It feels moist. And for me, being a dry skin girl, having like that dewy, moist feeling is, I think it's amazing, because I am always asking for more, you know, my skin's like, I need water, I need moisture, I need all the dewiness I can get because my skin's really dry. And this product helps me feel that way, and it does feel that way. So not sticky at all, but it does feel like it's damp, like it's moistened. Does that make sense? All right. So there's that question. What else? Can you put powder over it? I've done it before. I mean, even with other creamy products, I've put on powder over cream, and not all the time, but sometimes it does work out. And of all the times I put powder over these products, so far, it worked out fine. So that answer is yes for me. What else can I tell you guys? You guys, this product is, if I were you, I wouldn't miss out on it because they're just amazing. If I had to pick like one color to what do you call it? One color. If I had to pick one color to recommend, I'd probably pick the Sunset Glow, just because I am a fanatic about blushes and I love a nice blush. And this gives me a nice dewy, creamy skin gloss, glass feeling blush look, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, you guys. So it wore beautifully. I had no reactions. I had no skin irritations. My dry skin looks like it's filled with moisture. It looks beautiful in all the pictures and the videos I take. It's amazing, you guys. So I do recommend these, you guys. That's going to be the next part. Next part of this video is recommendations, all right? So do I recommend these skin gloss products? If it's not obvious already, highly recommend them. All right, first of all, I love Dominique Cosmetics. They have yet to disappoint me. Every product I got so far is amazing, from their lip glosses to their eyeshadow palettes to their skin gloss to their highlighter palette. All right, I can't say enough good things about them. Honestly, I cannot say enough good things about them because they are amazing. So if you like products that are dewy, creamy, giving you that glossy feeling, and you know what, even for girls or guys that are like, you know, not just dry skin, but oily or combination or whatever you are, whatever skin type you are, try it out still. I feel like every product out there, to really know if you like it or not, you have to test it out for yourself. So pick one up. You don't have to get all four like I did. I'm just super crazy, so I got all four of them. But you can always try one out and see if you like it. Try one out and see if you like it. If you do, get more, I guess. But the one I recommend is Sunset Glow, just because I'm obsessed with blush, and this reminds me of putting on blush on my face. So yeah, recommend it because, I mean, packaging is beautiful, product works, it's great on your skin, it's buildable, it's not sticky, it leaves a nice like moisture, damp, moistened feeling. It feels like your skin's hydrated. It's just so many amazing things, especially for my dry skin people out there. But also, if you're not a dry skin person and you want to try it out, I still recommend it because you might end up liking it. All right. So that is pretty much it for my little review on the Dominique Cosmetics Skin Gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like this video by clicking the like button down below. Subscribe, join the Kwak fam. And what else? Follow me on my social media. Of course, if you want me to review any other products out there, let me know down below in the comment section. And you guys, I will be doing a makeup look using all four of this all at once. So it'll be coming up very soon. If you want to check it out, don't forget to subscribe, tap on that bell because I upload quite often. And that's it, you guys. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.